Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith. And today's show is called How Long Does a Full Home Renovation Usually Take? If you're gearing up for a full home renovation, you're probably asking yourself, just how long am I going to be living out of boxes and takeout containers? Buckle up, friends, because today I'm going to walk you through the timeline of transforming your humble abode into a veritable paradise. Now, let's dive into the nitty-gritty. On average, a full home renovation can take anywhere from 3 to 6 months. Yeah, you heard me right. But before anyone faints at the idea of half a year in remodel limbo, let's break down why it takes so long. First things first, planning and design work. Rushing this step is like baking a cake without reading the recipe. From the moment you decide to give your home a facelift, expect 1 to 2 months for dreaming big, choosing materials, and finalizing designs. Getting this right is crucial because decisions made in haste can come back to haunt you like a ghost in the attic. Then we hit demolition and structural work. Time to take down walls and build up new spaces. You're looking at about 1 to 2 months of controlled chaos as things start to take shape. This is where your home looks more like an artist's blank canvas, or perhaps a modern art piece in progress. Next, the heart of your home, the installation phase. Flooring, cabinetry, and all the trimmings make their grand debut. With contractors working their magic, this process generally takes another 1 to 2 months. I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. An experienced contractor will keep you on schedule and ensure your vision comes to life without unnecessary detours. Finally, we've got the finishing touches. Think of this as the pièce de resistance, where paint, trim, and decor turn the project from functional to fabulous. Typically, this is another month, as small details add up to big impressions. Remember, folks, factors like home size, unforeseen surprises, and even the weather can stretch out these timeframes. But don't be dismayed. With a capable team and clear planning, your journey should be more about discovering new possibilities than encountering roadblocks. So, whether you're about to take the plunge or just daydreaming, having a realistic timeline in your toolbox ensures you're stepping into this remodeling journey with eyes wide open and ready to transform possibility into reality. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger, and remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.